Hello everyone, this is Muskan Singh. Currently I am working at LEXIS and Company as legal intern. Today I am going to talk about the topic election laws. As Indians, we all know that India is a secular, sovereign, democratic, republic and socialist nation. It is one of the highly populated countries of the world, which means we have a mass number of people with mass number of perceptions and contradicting views as well. So to ensure fair elections, it is important to stick to laws. Now, by sticking to laws, I mean to follow all the legal procedures and lawful methods to conduct fair elections, and to keep this in mind that the rights of the citizens to choose their representative should not be infringed by any misconduct of any citizen, and every single citizen of the country must get a right to perform their right to vote. Now let us move to what is election laws. Election laws are framed by different legislatures of India, which includes the President of India, the Vice President of India, and both the state legislation houses. Now there are two important things to note down. First, the state legislature drafts laws pertaining to elections related to local bodies, which includes panchayat and municipalities as well. Second, election laws can only be enacted by the Parliament of India. With this, let us move to the three major requisites for conducting fair elections. Now, the point number one is there should be an authority which is free from all the political interferences and can conduct fair elections under their supervision. The point number two is the authority should be in charge of conducting elections as per the laws governed to them. Point number three is there should be a proper mechanism and management for clarifying doubts and resolving disputes arising during the election times. Now, let us discuss Election Commission of India. India has an independently working authority which is named as Election Commission, which is in charge of conducting elections, preparation of electoral rules, and to issue necessary directions to cases where election laws enacted by the Parliament has any inadequate provisions. Now with this, let us move ahead to the mechanism for dispute management. All the election related to disputes arising from vice president and president elections are handled by Supreme Court of India, and parliament and state legislature disputes are handled by the High Court of India. Now the lower courts are entrusted to handle the responsibility to resolve disputes at lower levels like for local bodies, municipalities, panchayat, and by keeping with the laws enacted by the state government. Now let us discuss about the election laws and acts. So the first act is Presidential and Vice Presidential Election Act of 1952 and the Election Rules of 1974. Now these acts and rule is to regulate certain matters relating to or connected to elections of the offices of President and Vice President of India. Now the second act is Representation of the People's Act 1950 and 1951. Now all the grievances related to the elections will have to be resolved under the Representation of the People's Act 1950 and 1951. Now the third act is the Registration of Electors Rules 1960 and the Conduct of Rules 1961. Now, these acts and rules form a complete set of rules and a code for all the matters relating to the elections to the state legislatures and houses of parliament. Now, the earlier mentioned acts and rules empowers Election Commission to issue directives to deal with different aspects involved with the preparation of electoral rolls or its revision and the actual conduct of elections. Now let us move ahead to model election conduct. Now what is model election conduct? Under the Constitution of India, Article 324 says that the Election Commission has the right to exercise its power and the enforcement of Election Code of Conduct, that is Model Code of Conduct. This is a unique document code that provides guidelines for political candidates and parties, and it was created by the political parties to ensure fair elections for all the parties involved. Now it governs matters related to conduct and the maintenance of level playing field throughout the elections. Now it also provides for rules against the misuse of official machinery and power by the ruling party to ensure that they do not unfairly further the electoral prospects of their own candidates. So this was all about the election laws. Thank you.